Hey guys, it's me. In this video I would like to show you the drum editor in Cubase, which is another version of the MIDI editor, so the normal one. Just draw a MIDI thing here and then you have the normal MIDI editor, as you know. And on this channel I have loaded a Groove Agent version with the drum set on, and yeah, let's see how to access that drum editor. There are two ways actually. First one, select your MIDI clip, then go to MIDI and open drum editor. Other way would be to open the lower zone and click on this little arrow here where it says editor and go to the drum editor. Then make this big and open it, and there you have it. It's actually not that useful to me. I don't use it that often. But something really cool that you can do here, if you press down the Option key, you can get this little pen tool here, which you can use to draw your notes, and it's actually quite fun. Another thing that you can do, you can enable this snap mode. For example, on the bass drum I have enabled this 1/4 snap, and now you can just pull through with your 4 on the floor kick and then add your other instruments, which also, yeah, for example for this one you could also put it to 1/4 and then that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I put really much effort into this, so yeah, if you liked it, leave a comment, leave a like. These are the basic functions of the drum editor in Cubase. Have a beautiful evening.